Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best ceramics leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to select small businesses. We are going to Los Angeles. I'm going to increase this radius to 35 since LA is so huge. We're picking LA because LA is home to a lot of artists, and ceramics is an artistry industry. So next, lock that in. We are looking at ceramics today, as I said, ceramics. And with our Coldlytics 2.0, we get this nice sanity check. These are the studios that'll show up in our lead sheet, so we want to add those. Hit next, and we want owners and founders. We want directors and executives. We want one per company, so we're just looking for the owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, that'll cover for that. Filter, first we want to do is review score. We're going to ignore count, so between a 3 and a 5. The benefit for you is these people are just going to be easier to work with than people outside the score. They're respected by their clients and customers. They'll just be easier to work with you. Next, lock that in. And then we also are going to do advertisement pixels today. So basically, if they have an advertisement pixel on their website, they somewhat get marketing and they at least understand that it's important and beneficial to the business. So they're just going to be easier to work with, if you're a digital marketer. So the way I have this set up is I'm just saying if it advertises on Facebook, yes, or make sure to set it as or. Because if it's and, so let's say it just means they're all inclusive. So it has to be websites that advertise on Facebook and Google. But if they didn't have a LinkedIn one, they wouldn't show up. So we want or. So as long as there's one advertisement pixel, then the website will show up on the lead sheet. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in, and I'm gonna go to deliver now. I'm going to reset this. So basically we want all these metrics except for direct dial since we already are getting a direct email. So Google review count, review score, GMB profile, and GMB claimed. Great marketing. Great marketing metrics. Here, my bad. The company's social media is great just to see what their idea of marketing is. It's good to narrow down 100 good leads to about 20 great leads. Same with these revenue filter and headcount, but for different reasons. More like, are these companies that I'm going to be able to work with for 12 to 24 months instead of 3 to 6, right? Ad pixels again important as we're filtering them out here. Technologies like Google Analytics and WordPress also important. Page speed as well, and then your SEO metrics to show you basically what was searched to get the companies on the leads sheet. So all great metrics, basically like a lot of data in there to just figure out who you want to sell to. Next to lock that in, we're not going to leave an additional note. Make sure to give it a title. Make sure to set your context required. I like to save a draft. I'm going to go back in here now. I like to save a draft because if I start this and then I want to stop it to change something, I'm not starting from scratch. So I'm going to launch that, speaking of it. And as you can see, it's allocating. We're back out in our task view. And that means that our team has it and it'll be ready in 24 hours, give or take an hour or two. And yeah, that's how you find the best ceramics lead using Coldlytics. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys.